Hi guys, hello everyone. I hope you are doing good. Myself, I'm Akshay Kumar, Argroupsolutions. So now it's like day 2. Already I feel like day one of the Python course is started already. So I would like to now go on to the jump to the day 2 of these classes. So I hope everything doubt can be the previous of the recording of the day 1 class can be you can just mention on the comment section if you have any doubts regarding the things. Okay. Now we are going on day 2 right now. Okay, let's see the curriculum what is available in the day 2 and we go to according to that. So I would like to tell you all about today day 2 class. Okay. Day 2. So now we are going to learn about adding of comments like constants, keywords, print statement, input, variable declarations, format method, types of numbers, and functions. Okay. So before going to this, let me jump onto my working directory right now. So today we are going to do only coding parts, not other thing. Okay. Topic by topic we are going to cover. Okay. Don't worry, guys. Now just go onto your working directory, search for here like path, and press CMD over here. Okay. And type code space dot. Okay. Just enter. Automatically your VS Code going to be open. Last time I recommended on the day 1 class to install VS Code. Okay. This is a mandatory one right now. So where I'm going to create a new file for you all. I'm going to create day 2. Okay. Day 2. I'm going to write underscore day2 dot py. Always make sure you save the file in py because it's working directory of Python. Okay. Now I've done with this. If you want, I'll just make screen little more zoom in for you guys. I hope I feel like this screen is okay to you. If you have any regarding these issues could not see or do the things, I'm going to definitely upload in GitHub also day by day classes. Don't worry about the things. GitHub code going to be available over there, and still you can mention your queries in the comment box. Okay, thank you. So now let's jump on to these things. So according to our curriculum, let's see. First we need to know about adding of comments. Okay. Okay guys, it's all about day 2 today. Now our first topic comes with list comments, right? What is comments? Let me go here. Think you wrote some code I wrote some code of print. Okay, print hello world. Okay, this is a sample code. Okay, hello world. Think you wrote this is you're working for some company. Assume this is the assumption. Whereas we're going for advanced coding part, you'll come to know why we use these comments over there. Okay, as of now I'm saying thing like this is a huge code you written for a company. Okay, in order you went to some other new company due to some reason. Okay, so in order we're going to have some comments here regarding which part of the code you wrote, why you wrote, why did why did okay, well how you write, why did you write, who wrote this code like that, which developer. Okay, so regarding this thing we need to know what type this type things. It is a basic code, right? We need to write here reason behind this writing of this line. Basic code. Okay, basic code is nothing but print one we wrote here like that. Okay, I'm clear, I hope. Now jumping to this comment real time how it works. In comments we have two types of comments. This is a one single line comment, single line. Okay, and we have this triple one multi-line comment. Okay, multi-line comment, multi-line comments. Okay, now let me write make sure you close this also. Okay, so this part of the thing what you're writing here will never execute in the program. Okay, it will never execute in the program. Okay, let me show you in a live right now. Let me go to the coding part. So what is our today's our day 2, right? So I'm making I'm writing single line comment over here right now. I hope you can see the screen. This is day 2. Okay, so I'm writing print over here right now. Print. I want to print today our class is right. Hello guys, this is our day 2 class. Okay, day 2 class. Let me execute this one. So I'm running, it's executing right now. You can check on the terminal. See, it's executing day 2. Okay, one second. Yeah, you can check it out here right now. What's showing here? It's executing, right? Day 2. This statement of the print is not working, right? Okay, if think you have some large number of matter you wrote some lot of paragraph I think hello, this is a group of solutions. Okay, we have founder for this company. Okay, so and so, and you give a lot of code. Okay, I'm writing some other thing Akshay, you think Akshay, Kumar. Okay, like that. It's a lot of code. Still you can avoid write about this code and you write so what is the comment in this? So the main motive of this comment is we are printing a group of solutions founder name. Okay, so this is the main motive of this thing. So I'm writing my name here right now. Okay, I'm executing the line right now. Even I can comment out this one I don't want to print first print one hello guys. I'm commenting out so that to avoid this printing of this line it's going to be done. So let me clean the screen first. Use the command cls and use upper key to rerun the program. See, it's executing my name Akshay Kumar. Okay, So this is all about this commenting, like this is like single command, like single comment. Okay, this line of the code is nothing but like multi line comment. Okay, now let me check on like we have covered this topic, this one. I feel like adding of comments is done. Okay, now let me check, let me go for constants in Python. Constants. Okay, what are the constants? We have like we already have some pre-built like things like a is equals to 20. Okay, now let me explain through here only for you. Okay, so what are the like fixed one thing, like a is equals to 20. Okay, when you print this, it's going to be same, right? Print here fixed values. Okay, so you're assigning a variable like a is equals to 20, and it's going to print you same thing, like when I rerun this program for you. Let me comment out this one. So let me rerun this program. Make sure if you want to clear the screen, cls, sorry, cls. Okay, one second. Actually this got like it came out from the cd. I just wanted like library got exit out, not library, that working directory got exit out. Okay, see, you'll get a 20 option here. This is all about the thing like it's giving out here. Okay, now let me like go for these keywords. What are the keywords available in the Python? Okay, guys, basically keywords is nothing but which cannot be used, like thing like let me first print keywords for you. Okay, let me comment out this first. Okay, now we are going to this line of this thing, keywords. Okay, what are the keywords? Keywords is nothing but fixed values which cannot be used for declarations. Okay, fixed values or names which already have some meaning predefined by Python. Okay, which cannot be used. Cannot be used. See, when I'm coming to this line, it's not like printing me out. So in order to like do for this, I can go for, it's a last one, right? So I'm making use of this multi-line comment for this right now. Okay, now let me import keywords for you. Let's use don't worry about this import right now. I'm going to teach you about further classes. Okay, import keyword. I'm going to like teach you in the libraries how to import these things. Just concentrate like what are the libraries, like not libraries, what are the keywords available right now as of now in this class. Okay, I'm taking a variable declaration. I'm storing keyword values over there. I wanted to print list of the case. Okay, I'm printing. So when I rest print over here, it's going to print me like a lot of the list available. I'm printing the object is a variable stored key values. Okay, when I run this program, let me like cls the screen. Let me run this program right now. See, we are getting like different values like false, which are already like we cannot use these words. What are the like things we cannot use? False, true, as, asset, break, class, continue, del, elif, else, final. These are things like we cannot use in our program at any cost. Like in place of this variable, I cannot use elif, I cannot use else, like to declare other values and store it. But whereas this all has some unique functions where we can use them like logically. Okay. Now like let me, if you want to see like every line to line, like if you want to divide this one, we are going to make use of for loop. Not right now, I'm going to explain all about for loop. Just make sure like if you want to by line, I'm print line by line for you right now. I make use of for loop for I in a print I. Let me run this program right now. Let me like cls the screen first. Yeah, you can check it out, like single comes up like line by line. See, true, none, false, we cannot use them. Okay, if you want like if you wanted to test right now, it's really like a working scenario right now. Let me show you like a working model. Like if I use, what happened? Think I took else. Okay, else equal to 20. Okay, print else. Okay, see, when I run this program, it gives me like error. Let me like cls the screen. I'll not go for cls because this is a word, so I need to show you. See, it's showing me syntax error. I cannot use this like library for declaration of my variable. Okay, not only this, let me go for del. Okay, I think you can see here, right? I'm going for del. Okay, okay, let me write here del. Okay, I'll write just run the program 1 second right now. See, it's showing me del. I cannot use these words which are already reserved by something. Okay, these are the keywords which cannot be used for declaration at any cost, but we can use for logic. Think like I'll write out some logic for you right now. A is equals to 20 and B is equals to 40. Okay, if I go for like I'll make use of this keywords right now. Yeah, I'll make use of this keyword like 1 second. I'll make use of this keywords. Okay, I'll do one thing. A is equal to B. Okay, I'll store in some variable C. Okay, let me print this C. Let me see the output what we will get. Okay, see, false means we are logically using them here, right? Okay, we have, I think we have one of the like false, see the keyword which has reserved. Okay, where we are going to implement this as like logically, practically. Okay, we never use them like straight away, sorry. Okay, we can use elif. Mainly we use first if condition. Okay, if A is equal to B, print you are equal. Okay, I'm making use of keywords right now. See, if else are you going to make use of them. Okay, I'll show you a live example right now. I'm go for elif, another statement, another logic. A is greater than B. Okay, it's my condition. Okay, print A is greater. Okay, let me go right now. Else, I'm going for another one, reserve one. Else, print. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste over here right now. I'm going to make it as B. Okay, let me run this program for you right now. See, B is greater because the reason why it comes to this loop, let me explain you here. It's not loop, but like condition like else. Okay, if I do one thing, if I make this as 20, see, the logic jumps to here if like reserve keyword. Okay, now I'll run the program for you. See, it's you're equal. It's showing me equal. Let me like clear the screen first. Let me rerun the program for you right now. See, it's showing me you're equal. Okay, in this scenario, like we have some like a predefined keywords. We are making use of them for logic. Like elif was like a keyword and else was a keyword. Okay, we're going to make this type of things over here right now. Now we're done with this already. I hope like we learned about this print statement. As of like we know already about print statement, I feel. Now let me show you one unique concept like input values. Okay, let me go for input values. Okay, input values. Have you ever guys like came to know like always you are going for like predefined values? If system want to ask you some values to enter, okay, we are going to make use of this function, input function. Okay, think like A is equals to input. So what are the message you want to pass? Like type here, enter your number. Okay, this is going to ask by the system. Okay, and you wanted to print that what are the number you just went there, right? Print A, and we are passing the variable here for print statement. Okay, meanwhile let me just comment out this one example. Okay, I commented out this example. So let me go for this right now. What else I'll do? I'll just write below this cell. Okay, now let me run this. Like system going to ask me some values on this, like on the terminal. See, enter your number. It's asking me enter your number. I'm going to enter 23. See, it's giving me answer 23. Okay, I hope like input function is clear to you. By means of this, let like our previous program we have something here, right? I'll copy this one. I'm make use of this like input function. I'll write that program. Okay, instead of this one, I'm taking out that program. Okay, so in place of this 20, I'm going to make use of input function, which I need to enter some number then manually, which system need to ask me. Okay, enter value of A. Okay, same thing I'm going to copy here right now. In place of A, I'm going to paste B. Okay, now let me run this program for you right now. CLS, see, is asking for A value. I'm going to give 20. Okay, I'm going to give as like 13. See, A is greater than B, and the condition applies. It's going to jump on this loop. Okay, if I rerun the program once again, if I give value as 20, another one is 20, it's your equal. Let me rerun the program once again for you. I'm going to jump at like some value of 90, another value as like 100. Okay, let me once again, like this terminal is, I don't know the reason like it's printing here. I feel like terminal is jumping up. Let me run the program right now. Same values I'm going to enter right now on a terminal. Don't worry. It's like what are the A value? Its A value is 99. I guess I give a 99. Another one like 100. 1 second guys, it's like loop is jumping up here. 1 minute. The value is pointing up. Okay, I got your point. I got it. If I'm going to give value of like A is like 100. Okay, I'm going to give 99. See, can anyone like I'm going to give like basically I'm going to give this like issue. I know this what the issue causing here right now. That's the reason like I just give. I hope like you guys need to comment me like what are the issue was this thing. Okay, the first comment going to be pinned up in the like in the comment box of your YouTube channel. Okay, I feel like anyone like very like confident about this thing, I'm surely like pin you up in the like there. Okay, even I'll just post on the committee part. This is assignment for you. I already said like before starting of these things, sometimes I wanted to make blunder mistakes over here right now, and I'll ask them to like submit through assignments. Okay. So this is assignment, like what are the logic was missing here, like why it's like loop is jumping right now. Okay. So you are now we have for declaring of a variable, like you know variables, right, already. Let me like go for this right now. Let me comment up this one. Okay, now let's jump to variables. No, for variables we have some rules actually. Before like going for this variables, we have some rules for that. For variables declaration, we have some rules. You know how to declare a variable, right? A is equals to 20, where this A is pointing this value of 20. Okay. Now before going for this, let's have some rules. Let's see what are the rules. A variable can have short name like x and x comma y, in the sense like a comma b, like that. Another thing, like we have some certain rules it seems. Let's follow like what are the rules. Let's explore. A variable name must always be with a letter and underscore character. Okay. What it mean, like the line is saying that A is A. Okay. And underscore, like underscore 1. Okay. Which is underscore 1 going to be like, I'm going to teach you when we are enter into the class concepts. What are the use of this, like double underscore, these things. Okay. Okay, I hope this first line is clear to you. Now like a variable cannot start with a number. Like think like you wanted to give number 20 equal to some string I'm passing, Akshay Kumar. Okay, this is not satisfied at all. See, print 20. It prints 20, but like when I run this program, see the error causes to you. See, it's giving me some problem here, but still I'll run the code. I'll forcibly run the code. See, 20 cannot assign, like cannot assign to this one. What's the like printing? Instead of this thing, if I go for like alphabet, A is equals to, if I print alphabet here right now, string, it's going to be giving me some answer. CLS, run the program. See, Akshay Kumar, it's printing Akshay Kumar. So we cannot start with number. I'm real time. I'm like every part of the thing I'm going to show you real time. Don't worry about these things. Okay. Now a variable can have only like contain alphanumeric, like A to Z and 0 to 9 and underscore. Okay. Just now I show you a live example. Now what is this, like Python has some case sensitive which support case sensitive. Let me show you something. What is like thing like I wrote age is equal to some 45. Okay. I wrote the same thing like age is equals to 25. Okay. See the difference, like print. This is like age like lowercase, print age uppercase here right now. I'll run the program. It's like different. They are different. Let me like let me do one thing for this. Let me like comment out these things. Let me run the program for you right now. CLS. See, it's printing me. See, 45, 25. It's like both are different, but you may think like age. What's the age? Because like first letter is A and this letter is like lowercase here. Okay, lowercase for this and uppercase for here. We have difference. Okay, which stands for like case sensitive. Okay, these are the things. See, age and A is capital here, and this all are capital. See, we have three different ways. Okay, these are different. Don't think like age is matters, like they're same. Okay. Now let's look into like format methods. This is one of the very important, like upcoming classes we are going to deal, like when you go for some projects, we are going to make use of this format method. Format method. Okay, I'm going to just concentrate on class right now. It's very important. Let me comment out this one. Let me like format method. Okay, this is important. See, like I'm printing some value here, Akshay Kumar. Okay. Now like I wrote some, like there are a lot of story, like I'll write some story here for you right now. I feel like it's going to be wasted time, but just listen. Make sure like write F outside, like format string always translate F. We need to write that's like a Python predefined library. F is like for format. Okay. Okay. Hello guys. Welcome to Argroupsolutions. Okay. Our founder name is, so I'm going to pass, like make sure you write this flower brackets. Okay, and you have to pass like alphabet A. By the reason, like this format method, we are going to make use of this format method. When you write these things, like make sure you just cover with F and make sure you write brackets and pass this variable here, right? Okay. Our founder name is this A. Okay. We have software solutions at Hyderabad. Okay, HYD. Let me write like print this code for you right now. See, hello guys, welcome. Just see that like code and just look at these things. See, hello guys, we have welcome to Argroupsolutions. Our founder name is. See, after is we have this variable, see, Akshay Kumar, which we already stored in here, like a is equals to this one. Okay, this is the like famous, this is the like good thing of this format method, where we use format for everything. Not only this, like if I'll store this my location here right now, HYD. Okay, so I'm going to make use, like instead of writing the HYD here right now, software solution is located at, I'm going to like make use of bracket, I'm going to pass B. Okay, let me run this program for you right now. Okay, I'll do one thing, I'll just make some changes here, because I wanted to show you difference between like old program and here. HYD in capital words. Okay, see here, hello guys, welcome to Argroupsolutions. Our founder name is Akshay Kumar. We have software solution located at HYD, Hyderabad. Okay, in this way we will like make use of this format method. Okay, in upcoming classes when we deal with further projects, we're going to show you like, just make sure this basic syntax, this is some basic syntax of like defining a format. Okay, format method. Now numbers, I feel like you already guys know about these numbers, like int, float, like that, double, like that. I'll just show you right now on the numbers parts. Let me first comment out this one. Okay, see, a is equals to 20 and b is equals to 20.5. okay, let me print. I'll make use of this type function for like type which belongs to. Same thing I'm going to copy, like once again, let me copy this for you. Let me paste. I'll check for b also. I'll just rerun the program. CLS. From next time I'm going to teach you in Jupyter notebook. Okay, which will be so easy that like cell by cell it's going to execute. Even like no need of like installing of Jupyter notebook, we can still like I'll show you how to like run on this Python like VS code also. Okay, let me run. See, it belongs to like the first one belongs to int, another one belongs to float. Okay, in this way list of numbers it shows. Now like types of functions. Have you ever guys know about these functions? I'll just teach you about functions right now. We have just now we saw some like keyword called def. Def stands for function. Okay, creating a function. My function name is AK. Okay, Akshay Kumar. Now I'm going to print. Hello guys, this is Akshay. Okay, think like you wrote some like lot of lines like in between like you wrote a lot of times print hello world. Okay, I'll copy paste and this times to like 10 to 15, like 10, like almost 6 times. Okay, let me paste. Think like these are a lot of examples, a lot of lines of other code, not only this print. Okay, but as of now I'm just showing you right now as a sample this one. In your company real time, it's like a lot of codes, a lot of set of codes, like other like which belongs to the project. Okay, after this all things also still like if you want to print this like hello guys, this is Akshay. Okay, I'm going to simply go to here, I'll call that function call AK. What's the function name? AK, right? AK. I'll just call the function call. Okay, now I'll just clear the screen. I'll print for you for something. See, hello world is printed. This is other like lot of lines of the code. Okay, don't assume this, right? Why I wrote this all these things. Okay, see, after executing those things also, see, when I call for function call, it's giving me like hello guys, this is Akshay. Okay, let me do one thing. 1 second, I think I'll just clear these things. Okay, when I call this, like I'll create another function for you right now. Def day_2. Okay, let me print. Hey, this is our day2 class. Okay, let me like call this function right now. After this AK, I'm going to call it, what is the function name? Okay, let me run this program for you right now. CLS. See, it's printing. Oh, I think we didn't comment out this one. Let me let me remove this one. Let me rerun the program for you right now. See, hello guys, this is Akshay. Hey, this is our like our day2 class. Okay, see how it's calling. We need not like write once, use a number of times. This is the function. This is the function speciality of this code. Okay, I feel this is all about today class. Like when like we done about according to our curriculum, like day2 class. I feel this is clear to you guys right now. Okay, if you still have some doubts like regarding this coding part, even like I'll upload this what are the taught right now in the class right now. I'm going to upload these files in the GitHub, and also you can check it out my GitHub like a day2 class. You can download a code, you can practice. Still, if you have a lot of like problems installation or like setting up path, or else like writing on the code, you have some doubts, you can just pin me in the comment box, or else you can just pin me in our email address. So that we'll get back to you very soon, as soon as possible, and we'll clarify your doubts. Okay, I hope this class is clear to you all. Thank you guys.